Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our solid design principle playlist, and today we are going to study about abstract factory pattern. So this abstract factory pattern is again going to focus on the abstraction as the name says. Secondly, the main purpose of this abstract factory pattern is to provide an interface for the family of objects. So now let's move to our text editor and let's understand everything in detail. So before studying the abstract design pattern, let's revise a little bit of factory design pattern. So we take one simple example that there was one customer who gave an order. And after that, there was one kitchen factory who is responsible for making the object. What was happening in the code? The customer was not directly creating this pizza object, burger object, and the salad object. The kitchen factory is the one who was responsible for making the object, and this kitchen factory was acting as an abstraction layer between the creation of the objects and the client. Now let's move to the abstract factory design pattern. Abstract factory pattern says that it will provide an interface for the group of objects without making in concrete classes. We will understand it. So previously we were having one kitchen factory, but now let's say the story is little different. We are going to again study this pattern with the help of one story. Customer comes and gives an order. Let's say the customer places an order of a pizza. It's a simple order of a pizza. Then it's a simple factory. You can just say a kitchen factory that we can make, and then the kitchen factory is again responsible for making pizza, burger, and the coke. This is a simple factory, or you can just say that it is a kitchen factory. But let's say if we make a new thing. Now let's say in our restaurant we have options of cuisine. So this is our first factory, the cuisine, and the cuisine says that we have one Italian cuisine and American cuisines. And in the Italian cuisines, we serve pizza and coke, and in the American cuisine, we serve burger and coke. Now, can you see it? We have to make different groupings. So there is one interface Italian that focuses on creation of the pizza and coke, and there is one interface American that is going to focus on the burger and coke. And there is going to be one more interface of cuisine that is going to divide those interfaces between Italian and American. So can you see that there is factory and there is one more factory. Factory over factory. The hierarchies of factory, we can say that it is known as the abstract factory design pattern. Now let's move to our text editor and understand this with the help of the code. I'll use the same example in my code as well. So this is a definition, actual definition that you can read it here. Abstract factory provides an interface to create families of related objects without specifying their concrete classes. Story is again going to be same, that we have this cuisines and we can also order a normal food, pizza and burger. So suppose there is a user comes who order the cuisine Italian, then what is going to happen in the Italian cuisine? We are going to make a pizza object, and we are going to make a coke object, and we are going to prepare it, and the coke is something that we are going to pour. Same with the American one. We are going to make burger, we are going to make the coke object, and we are going to prepare the burger, and we are going to give the pour. But let's say if the user just order pizza, we are going to simply serve the pizza. But the problem in this code is in the bad section. Means that it is a bad code. The problem in this code is that there is no abstraction. We are just working on a simple if else condition, and it is the same issue that we faced in our factory pattern as well, that there is no abstraction. And secondly, the customer is directly responsible and seeing all the code. Customer is directly seeing that who is preparing the food. He will able to know the ingredients and every single thing. Like there, we are not hiding the complexity in this code, but we have to make a factory. We have to make the group of interfaces that we have to do it in our abstract factory. Now let's move to the good code and let's understand it. We'll again move line by line and we will understand it how to do it. Customer comes and enters to a restaurant and order an item. It's a simple system. Now let's say if we want to order pizza, the same thing that we are not going to change in our normal factory pattern. That is a normal factory. Okay, now what is going to happen? Let's go to this create food function and you will see. First of all, let's go to this kitchen factory function. Kitchen factory function again takes a create food. Pizza, if the pizza is coming, it is going to give you the pizza object. If a burger is going to coming, it is going to give you the burger object. And if I go to this burger class, it is going to implement the food. Now let's go to the pizza class. It is again going to implement the food. Now, and if I go to use show to the food interface is having this prepare function, that these burger class is implementing the food and the pizza class is also implementing the food interface. And if I go to the restaurant, if the person simply order a pizza, it is a normal factory pattern. We hide the complexity of the pizza and the burger that we have done in our normal orders. Now let's move and understand the abstract factory as well. So now the customer is going to order a cuisine. Cuisine factory is going to be responsible. The order is going to be Italian order or an American order. So let's go to that. So we have one this cuisine factory, and it says that the cuisine is going to give you a food and a drink. Food is something, an interface that we've already studied, that it's going to consume burger and the pizza, and the drink is going to be Coke, that is implementing a drink, and drink is a normal interface that is having a pour function. Cuisine factory that is responsible for giving you the food and the drink. Now what is going to happen? Whenever a restaurant is going to give you an order, it is going to give you cuisine factory and equals to new Italian factory. Cuisine factory is going to be implemented by the two classes, American factory class and Italian factory classes, because these are the one as a factory over factory. So if I go to this American factory, that will give you the get food and the get drink, and again Italian factory that will give you the get food and the get drink. The cuisine factory don't know that they are going to serve the cuisine factory don't know that what are the actual food they are going to serve. They are going to serve the burger or they are going to serve the pizza, because in the cuisine factory, when you will see, here you are going to get a food, here also you are going to get a drink, and after that when you are going to prepare and drink is going to be pour. This is how our abstract factory is going to work. I'm again going to make you revise it. Customer order the cuisine factory, that is our first factory. In this factory, what is going to happen, that is going to take food and drink. This is our first factory. After that, there are two other factories, that is American factory class and Italian factory class. These both classes are going to implement the cuisine factory class. So that is our first factory. The first factory is cuisine factory, that is having the two interfaces, our Italian and the American. After that, the Italian and American are responsible for, Italian is going to be responsible for making the pizza and Coke. American is going to be responsible for making the burger and the Coke. But the thing is, this cuisine factory class, when you will go to the restaurant cuisine factory, we are just returning food and drink. So basically, we are just trying to say the cuisine factory don't know that which food is going to be prepared and which drink is going to be prepared. It is just getting food and drink. And after that, it is calling the dot prepare function. This prepare function is going to be this interface function, this dot prepare, and drink function is going to be this pour function. That is something that we are calling, and this is how we are going to make our abstract factory. So abstract factory is going to make your system more secure because it is going to provide you an extra layer. So just one more thing, there can be many layers, and these all the layers are going to be part of this abstract factory pattern. When there is single layer, you say that it is a factory pattern, and when there are multiple layers, you will say it is a part of abstract factory pattern. So this is all about it, and I will push this code to my GitHub and I will provide you the link into the description. And thank you for watching me, and in the next video we are going to study about the builder design pattern, and bye bye.